Morning, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're here at Formosa Camp Resort. So we're about to film one of our requirement na video for our course, which is hospitality management. And as of the moment, ito ay may sakan ng owner. Nice kay lighting there, guys. Labi ng morning. So today is around 8 mirror shot. So, na mga kauban. Init kayo ko ano. No, init kayo lighting. So, mo to nag-showroom before mag-take. So, nice mga rooms. Arta there dapit na part. So, napamiss the villa doon. Nasa sila yung mini table here. So, aesthetic kay dating. Yes. So, try pa to get cellphone na tagan to. So, at the moment. Nice kayo ambience. Aesthetic. So, if you're looking for a place here in Tuburan, so Formosa is one of the choices that we can provide or give to everybody. Kaya nice nila facilities, daghan na siya mga amenities. Feeling na daghan na sila. Yan, na sila yung swimming pool over there. Yeah, we'll check that one later. So, napagyapon na sa ilang villa. Mupuyog tanong to sa taas. So, we will be checking the Barkada room. Ay.
Natin mga
Ano
sleepers
sa second floor na part here. Wow, aesthetic. So perfect siya if you're planning to have get away with your friends. So this is the perfect place for you. Formosa Camp Resort located at Bagasawi, Tuburan, Cebu. So we will be checking the Barkada room. So full.
Kita natin sleepers.
Pila siya dahil? So ilang Barkada room? Good for 8 niya. Pila rate per day? 5-5 niya. Good for 8 niya. Sulit kay guys. So there na sila yung murag mini couch. Pwede kang anak dire. Nice kayo. It's so relaxing. So nasa sila dire kanang morning. As like table. Good for 6 person. Na feel at home kaya there. So we'll go back. Oh, vintage. Hello, Papi. Hello, Rockstar. So nice at kayo there,
At sila o 500 per day.
Ah. O, diba? Solid kayo imong bakasyon if you will choose Formosa. Mirror shot. Kuyawan. No, couch. Sit like a king. Kuyawan. Ciao, ciao. So nice kay aesthetic kay no? Oh, over here. From Cebu niya, ari ka mag-check-in sa ilang camp resort. Kapuyon ka. So, daghan kasi nagkalingkod mo. Pwede ra ka higdaan. For me lang ha, it's 5/5 grave view. Okay, nice ilang facilities. So we will be exploring outside later. So makita na to dito ang ilang ang sea view o ang ilang pool nga view sa so later. Keep posted. Hello guys, good morning once again. So padong day mi sa ilang swimming pool nga rin sa Formosa. So over there, nasa sila yung second floor. Pwede ka tambayan. Thank you for availing. Very kuan. Diyan siya nice. Diyan kayo ang view there. It's very kuan. Bitaw guys, so as of the moment, arita sa padong ta dito sa ilang mini pool which is blue. Kaya naman siya guys. So nice is yun. Naka-search there ka ng relax over here. So if you're planning to go here in Tuburan, so don't forget to check Formosa campsite. What I mean camp resort. Ay nice yung ilang mga facilities here yun. So matuyot ta diri sa swimming pool kay blue kay siya. Oh my god. Kanindot sa siya, nindot kay siya ikon. Nindot kay siya tusluan. Oh, what a nice pool. So, ato na sa tamo tanaw dito sa pit sa may sea view nila. Yes, gusto na lang sea view. Grabe, relaxing kayo. But, as of the moment kay medyo init-init na lang siya kay udto-udto na mi nakaari. Here, ilang sea view. Pero, I feel good kay nice na dyan siya. Ma-relax ka. Dili ra ka masatisfied sa ilang services na dire. Masatisfied sad ka sa ilahang mga facilities. Like ka nang makuan, mabusog sa di mong mga mata sa ilang mga facilities here. So, po dyan sila diri duyon over there. Oh, money lang dagat there guys. So, atong naugon na medyo layo naman siya. Ara lang ta. So, kung di ko kauban kay maadto sila. Very nice. Nice jud siya. Naidiyan dito. Oh, perfect. Perfect kay niya if you're planning to have a staycation here at Tuburan. So, Formosa is a great choice for everybody. So, choose Formosa Camp Resort. Now, akong i-explore lang second floor ng tambayanan dere. Medyo nasa siya tao dere guys, pero di lang na magsaba. Narapas na second floor. Nice big lighting dere. Oh, maka-relax juga maayo. Like na, wow, nindot sa kailang ko ano? Relax ka ba if you want to listen here at Formosa Camp Resort. Overview. Super view nila. Against the left. The facility is good.